I just wanna say I'm feeling.
Hi everyone! My name is Hernalyn T. Aquino and welcome to Municipality of Bagong Bayan.
Not in the mood, bending over backwards to trying to see it through. Apologizing might be something that I need to say. Every time I go, there's something in the air. There's something in the air. Makes me wanna know if something's really there.
Sultan Kudarat is the province in the Philippines, located at Sorsogon region in Mindanao. Capital is Isulan and the commercial center is Tacurong. It has 11 municipalities and 1 component cities in Sultan Kudarat. A first-class and beautiful municipality is Bagong Bayan. Halina't samahan niyo akong alamin ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga Bagong Bayan. Tara!
Makes me wanna know. I guess we didn't get up to a great start. And ups and downs be driving us apart. And why you make up your mind so fast? We're driving, won't keep it in the past. I can see when I'm lost, keep talking, but we keep going right.
Bagong Bayan has 19 barangays, 213 provinces and have 4 tribes which is Ilocano, Hiligaynon, Maguindanao, and Cebu. Bagong Bayan is celebrating a festivities which is the Bansadayaw Festival, the one big event in Bagong Bayan every month of November, na kung saan nagkakaisa at nakikisaya ang mga Bagong Bayanon. Katawhay Bagong Bayan, Katawhay Gid. Bagong Bayan have more beautiful tourist attractions. First, the Red House located at Titulok, Bagong Bayan, Sultan Kudarat. Second, the Bansada View, the perfect attraction here in Bagong Bayan. Nice view and beautiful scenery of Bagong Bayan. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go and enjoy the perfect beauty of Bagong Bayan.
Makes me wanna know. And I just wanna say I'm feeling low, low. Baby, what's the use when I'm not in the mood? Bending over backwards to trying to see it through. Apologizing might be something that I need to say. Every time I go, there's something in the air. There's something in the air. Makes me wanna know.
Hi everyone, I'm Hernalyn T. Aquino and thank you for watching.